Mel Sibulo for his special announcement.
Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, our graduates and parents, to our learning supervisors, learning facilitators, and class advisors. It is with great pleasure and excitement that we unveil our new Lake Senior High School logo. More than a visual representation of our identity, it is a symbol of our young department's growth and commitment to excellence. Carefully crafted with purpose, it embodies our aspirations with the essence of who we are. Witness a new era as we